first chapter is class as basis of all computation. So this will be your first chapter of class 10th, and according to this chapter, first we'll study about object. So you know what is an object? Object is a real world entity, or you can say anything that has some state and have some behavior. ठीक है. Now state can be said as characteristics, some characteristics or behavior. Like you can say pen has some characteristics and some behavior, like its color, size, है ना. And what are its behavior? It is used for writing, taking notes. ठीक है. These all are its behavior. So what is an object? Object is a real world entity, any entity that has some characteristics and some behaviors. Now similar to this, there is one more thing, that is software object. Now what is software object? When we represent these objects in Java programming, ठीक है, when we represent these kinds of objects in Java programming, it becomes software object. Now same is the case, like state object is having behavior and characteristics. Similarly, they will be also having characteristics and behaviors, but they are termed differently. It is termed as data members and methods, or you can say member variables or functions. So you can understand that both the things, object and software object, are same. Object is something that is a real world entity that has some characteristics and behavior. When we represent these objects into a Java programming, it becomes software objects. And similarly, the software object also have characteristics and behavior, but they are termed as data members and methods. Data members को हम member variables भी कहते हैं, and methods are also known as functions. You have made different programs in which we have used member variables. Member variables are nothing but the variables that you create inside a class. And methods, you know, like you have created void get data, void print data, void calculate. These all were the functions. So I think this first concept of object and software object is clear. Please, if you have any doubt, you can ask your queries and go through the topic content that is written in the textbook, so that you get all the points. Okay, and if any confusion is there, you are free to have queries.